picture this. You're excited about becoming a trader and you want to achieve your dreams as fast as possible. You then stumble on a YouTuber that isn't even a profitable trader, and you believe that by buying their day trading course, that would be a golden ticket to success. As you delved into the course, you felt like you were decoding a secret language. It was like trying to read a manual in a foreign language, confusing and not exactly what you signed up for. You hoped for profits, but ended up scratching your head at charts that seemed to have a mind of their own. Lesson learned: you can't buy your way to trading wisdom. Now, not dissing all courses, some are good, but really all information you could ever need you can learn for free on YouTube. The thing with courses is, even though it is a course, there is nothing they can really teach you past the basics on how to trade and how to place trade orders. Day trading isn't a skill you can learn by watching, it is a skill you can learn by practice. Think about this: if you are a basketball coach, you can teach your player the mechanics to shooting. However, that player will never be consistent unless he practices his shot. Just like with day trading, all you can learn is just the basics on how the market works, why it goes up and down, and how to place trades, but things such as how to read the markets and really make money from trading comes from the time you spend staring at the charts. The market is far too complex to be deciphered through some simple lines and patterns. Of course, it's good to learn the basics, but once you spend 10 minutes learning how to put a support and resistance line, it's time for you to hop on a sim account and practice. On another note, most trading gurus that are selling a course aren't even profitable traders. I can almost guarantee that the trading guru you love watching has a video explaining why he isn't legit. I suggest you watch those videos first and then make up your mind on whether you will continue to follow them. With most trading gurus being fakes, it's hard to discern which ones are telling the truth. But for a bit of advice, if they're showing off their flashy lifestyle, probably don't follow them. And for all of you saying, "Oh, but they're giving so much information out for free," obviously they are. How else are they going to promote their courses? Most courses by trading gurus are really just the blind leading the blind. So save your cash and understand that the real lessons happen when you're in the market, not when you're studying a course. Let's keep it simple and smart in the trading game.